Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Snipping Tool slow. Go to Settings from Startup. There you must go to Apps and then to Installed Apps. Locate Snipping Tool, click on the three dots and choose Advanced Options. Now at the bottom, click on the Repair button. Wait for Snipping Tool to be repaired. After that, click on Reset again, and wait for this process to finish. Now close the current Windows session. Open the Snipping Tool to see that it does not generate errors. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.